Hello. Good day, dear parents. Good day, dear children. I'm Toril Sachdeva. Welcome you all to this new academic year 2020 and 2021. It's different for you and for me due to this corona pandemic. Well, dear children, because of pandemic, we cannot miss our studies. Whatever little we can do, we shall all try together. Dear parents, I expect your cooperation throughout the year. Well, to begin with, we'll be giving you a timetable so you will understand which day your child has to prepare for which subject. At the same time, please do not buy textbooks from outside. Textbooks will be given from the school. Well, as and when the subjects will be taken, exercise assignments will also be given. Children have to do that assignment on that day itself. Yes, I know many parents are working, so maybe the children might get the phone in the evening. When your parents come in the evening, do your work then. Okay, apart from this online work, you also have to do some offline work. Children, to be in the habit of writing, I want you to write one paragraph every day from the textbook. Any textbook that you like. It can be EVS 1, it can be history, it can be English, it can be the book you want to write from, but one paragraph, so that you have writing practice, so that you improve on your handwriting, and so that you learn how to write English words. At the same time, every day you also have to write tables from 2 to 20 at least one time. Make a separate notebook for this. Children, now as you are in 4th standard, this is very important. If you learn your tables now, you will not have problem throughout your life. And if you have practiced writing work, you will not have problem even when you come to school. Because maybe when you come to school, you have to give an exam. So, we are preparing for you at least for a basic exam. Well, your Google Forms, your worksheets, are expected to do online. Apart from that, I have given you this homework which you have to do daily. And believe me children, it will not take more than 1 hour in a day. And I am sure 1 hour you can give to your school, to yourself, to your studies, to your development. Yes, development also means your overall development. So, we have drawing period, we have craft period. Our Shilpa Miss, Neeta Miss will be taking up our drawing and craft and PT periods also according to their timetable. So, we'll give you the timetable. Dear parents, please follow the timetable. And children, please do the activities as per given. And try to complete it on that day itself, because next day again you will have another exercise to do. Well, now craft. You need not buy a book for craft. Whatever article you are doing, please collect it in a plastic bag and keep, so that when you come to school, you can submit it to your teacher in the form or in the way she tells, she guides you. Well, I hope to have your cooperation throughout the year. We might have a Google meeting very soon, maybe on a Sunday, so that maximum parents can participate. I wish you all the best for this year and for all the coming years. Thank you, dear children. Thank you, parents.